Do you feel shy when speaking English? Maybe you know the words, but your mouth stays closed. Maybe you're scared of mistakes. My friend, you are not alone. And today, we'll fix this together.
Yes. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk. This is the place where English becomes simple, clear, and full of confidence. I'm Tom, your English practice partner.
And I'm Sophia. I'll guide you step by step. Today's lesson will give you motivation, psychology tricks, and practical daily tips so you can speak English with confidence in real life. Part 1. Why do we feel shy? Tom, I think many learners feel shy because they're scared of making mistakes.
You're right, Sophia, but mistakes are not a problem. They're proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. The difference is they don't feel ashamed. They just keep speaking.
So here's your first mindset shift. Shyness is normal, but it doesn't control you. Every time you speak, even with mistakes, you are growing. Part 2. Believe in your voice.
My friend, your voice is powerful. Your ideas matter. But when you stay quiet, the world cannot hear your thoughts. Remember this. English is just a tool to share your ideas. Don't hide them.
Exactly. Think about children. How do they learn? They don't wait until their speech is perfect. They just speak. They laugh. They make mistakes. And they keep trying. That's why they learn so fast. You can do the same. Speak with curiosity, not fear. Part 3. Psychology hacks to beat shyness. Now let's train your mind with 3 simple but powerful hacks.
1. Reframe fear as excitement when your heart races before speaking. Don't call it fear, call it excitement. Nervousness and excitement feel the same in the body. The only difference is the label. Example, before a presentation, say, I'm excited to share my ideas, instead of, I'm scared. Suddenly, your energy becomes positive.
2. Lower the pressure. Stop aiming for perfect grammar and pronunciation. The real goal is understanding. Example, you ask in a shop, where fitting room? Grammar isn't perfect, but the seller understands. Mission accomplished.
3. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself speaking confidently. Athletes do this. Public speakers do this. And you can too. Example, before an interview, imagine the interviewer smiling and yourself answering clearly. Your brain accepts that image, and you feel calmer in real life.
3 hacks. Turn fear into excitement. Lower the pressure, and visualize success. Simple, but life-changing. Part 4. Practical daily tips to build confidence. Mindset is the start, but action builds confidence. Here are 5 powerful habits.
1. Mirror practice. Speak in front of a mirror. Watch your body language. Smile while talking. Your brain will start to see you as a confident speaker.
2. Record your voice. Every day, record a 1-minute voice note. Talk about your day. Listen back. You'll notice mistakes, but more importantly, you'll notice progress.
3. Start small conversations. Don't wait for a big stage. Start tiny. Order food. Greet a colleague. Ask for directions. Small wins create big confidence.
4. Shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker and repeat instantly with the same tone and rhythm. This makes you sound natural and confident.
5. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Confidence grows when you notice small victories. Spoke 1 sentence today? Amazing. Learned 5 words? Fantastic. Progress is more important than perfection.
Part 5. Final motivation and action plan. Now, the most important part. How do you keep going? Confidence doesn't come from one video. It comes from daily action.
Step 1. Set a tiny goal. Say at least one sentence in English every day. That's your first win.
Step 2. Use the 5-minute rule. Promise yourself just 5 minutes of practice. Once you start, it often becomes 15 or 20.
Step 3. Track progress. Write down what you practiced daily. After 2 weeks, you'll see real growth.
Step 4. Reframe mistakes as wins. Every mistake means you tried, and trying means you're growing.
Step 5. Reward yourself. Celebrate every win. Smile, listen to music, or tell yourself, I'm proud. Positive feelings make habits stronger.
My friend, confidence is not waiting for the perfect moment. It's practicing in the imperfect moment.
So say one English sentence out loud right now. That's your first victory today.
And we'll be here with you. Everyday English talk, turning shyness into confidence, and confidence into fluency.
If this video gave you even 1% more confidence, support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Together, we'll make English simple and powerful for you.
See you in the next lesson.